kapangarap, ito naman po yung part 3 ng 14 recruitment agency based in New Zealand and types of job for onshore and offshore applicants po. At ito po ang Greenstone Recruitment. Ang Greenstone Recruitment po ay matagal na rin pong kumukuha ng tao dito sa New Zealand since 2006. Kaya ayan po, find a job, agriculture, trades, find staff, engineering trades, find staff, agriculture, yan, for employers and employee. Nandyan po lahat yung yung highlights ng kanilang recruitment agency guys. Ayan po yung mga trabaho nila. For example, insulated panel installer, Hawke's Bay. Ayan po, carpenter foreman, Hawke's Bay. Ayan, flooring installer, vinyl carpet, Northland, cabinet maker, North, farm assistant. Ayan po guys, kaya bisitahin nyo lang po itong Greenstone at marami na rin pong mga kababayan nating nakapunta dito sa New Zealand ng dahil dito sa agency ito guys. At sila po ay talagang kumukuha rin ng mga offshore applicants at sila po ay immigration advisor din. Kaya ayun, pwede rin nyo pong bisitahin itong Greenstone Recruitment na ito guys. Ayun mga kapangarap, abangan nyo lang po yung part 4 nitong ating 14 recruitment agency na nakabase dito sa New Zealand.